Hello everyone, my name is Zivya and in this class we will be discussing about the GEM statements. In the previous classes, we already discussed about two categories of control statements, that is decision making statements and loop statements. And in this class we will be comprehending about the GEM statements, that is a break statement and continue statement. So let us understand what a break statement is. A break statement is used to terminate a loop or switch statement. So, to delineate, a break statement forces immediate termination of a loop, ignoring the execution of remaining code in the in the body of the loop. Okay, so whenever a break statement is encountered within a loop, so it immediately terminates the loop. The form of this break statement is simply the keyword break with semicolon. The other one is continue. So, unlike the break statement where it terminates the loop with ignoring the execution of remaining part of the code, continue statement on the other hand, continue the running of the loop but stop the processing of the remaining code of its body only for a particular iteration. That is, at times if you want to skip the execution of the code after the continue statement only for a particular iteration. If you want to do it, then there comes the usage of this continue statement. So we can better understand this with the example. Let's see an example here. So here is what I have an example with a for loop implementation. I have a for loop which prints the numbers from 1 to 10. So I have a condition here. So if once I reaches the value of 5, it has to break. That means it will immediately exit from the loop. Without executing any statements, it will terminate from the loop. So let us see how the outcome of this program. Let us run this. So look at here. It printed I and stars, 2 and stars, 3 and stars, 4 and stars, 4 and asterisks, and 5. But it immediately terminated from the loop as soon as a break statement was encountered. So what is the difference between the break and continue? Let us use the same code and write the continue here. Okay, let us run the same program and see what happens. Look at here. There were no asterisks executed in the outcome. There were no asterisks shown in the outputs. Do you know the reason why? Here, if you understand the definition of continuous statements, the continuous statement will ignore the execution of the remaining part of the code, that is this code, remaining part of the code only for a particular iteration. That is, I said if I equal to 5, continue. So what it does is when I is equal to 5, it ignores the execution of the statements after the continue statements, but it will still continue executing the loop. So until 4, it printed the asterisk symbols. So as soon as 5 got encountered, it printed the number, but it ignored the execution of remaining part of the code within the body of the loop. Whereas break, if you take the break, it does not execute any code. Instead, it simply terminates from the loop. So this is what the difference between the break and continue statement. So hope this class helps you to distinguish between the break and continue statement. Thank you.